Did you miss me? Admit it, you missed me. Ha! Just kidding. I'm going to show you again how to do yet another mob from Minecraft. Today we're going to be doing the zombie pigman. And we're going to move quick once again because you guys are smart and you can handle this. We're going to have our rectangle and our square 1/2 inch thick for the body, the 1 inch square for the head. Thread them all onto your lollipop stick or whatever you got. Make it look good, attach it with a little bit of water. Add 2 rectangles for the arms, and I added a dark pink little rectangle, little flat piece on the face for that's going to be his little pig snoot later. And right here, all I'm doing is adding his brown loincloth, as you can see. Roll it thin, attach to the front and back. Here, I'm making the skull that covers part of his face. I cut out a thin square of the gray, and I put that slice in it, you see? So when you wrap it around, you're going to have that tag sticking out. Just cut it off, and then smooth your edges together, and it'll lay nice and flat for you. Now I'm going to add the bones. I use white and gray to make these bones. There are zigzags on the thighs. And then I put a bone on each arm, on the side, on the back. The ribs are important the way I have them though, so make sure you don't forget that. That's a good detail, as well as the skull showing on the head. And here you can see the back where I added pieces. Add some gray, like I said before, just add them here, there, everywhere, on all the limbs, front and back, make them look interesting. And now I'm going to show you how to add the eyes. The eye on the skull is going to be solid black, a thin little rectangle. On the other side, you can see it's just a little square of black on the outside and a square of white. For some reason, pig eyes go to the outside. And he is no different. And now I'm going to use my red food color marker, and I'm going to add red around the bones. All the white bones get outlined in red, so that's kind of important. You can always add extra if you want to make them a little more bloody and gory. That's up to you, but the red goes around the white bones. I know that much. Now I'm using green, and I'm just going around what I did and adding it to him. A little bit of the brown, just to make some dots on his butt flaps. And then I used black, as you can see, a little bit on his skull. And I had to go back and get the red out because I forgot to give him nostrils. So as I said, here he is. He's all done. He's really not hard. He's pretty basic. But the details matter. Make sure you add those colors. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and follow me so you can have fun next time. Bye.